Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is how to make fried crispy KFC chicken at home. This crispy chicken you are seeing right here tastes so delicious. In fact, I've never enjoyed any chicken recipe the way I enjoy it, and my kids are not left out. They keep asking for KFC crispy chicken every day. Without further ado, let's dive right into cooking. Yes, these are the chicken drumstick that I am using. You can use any part of your choice, but for this particular recipe we usually use soft chicken, no matter the part you decided to use. This chicken has been washed with salt and lemon juice, and they are very clean and has been packed dry. Please, the full video of how I wash all my chicken recipe is down in the description box. Please do check it out. Let's season the chicken. Right inside the washed and clean chicken, I will add onion powder, rosemary powder, chicken seasoning, ginger and garlic powder, chili powder, black pepper, and some salt to taste. For this recipe, please use any seasoning you like for your chicken. Alright, I almost forgot one important thing, and that is giving the chicken's drumsticks some cut before adding the seasoning. But since I've added the seasoning already, let me quickly give the chicken some peers with my fork before marinating it completely. One important reason why I always do this to all my chicken recipe is for the seasoning to penetrate right inside the chicken and for the chicken to cook evenly both in and out. After doing that carefully, I will go ahead to add the lemon juice and then mix everything to combine. One important reason why I added the lemon juice is to tenderize the chicken. Once I'm done doing that, I will cover the chicken and set it aside to marinate for 1 hour or so, but the longer the best. Next is to sieve about 200 grams of all-purpose flour. Doing this will help get rid of dirt, wrinkles or lumps in the flour. Alright, after doing this, I will as well add about 40 grams of cornstarch. Please do not forget the cornstarch because it will make the chicken extra crispy. Now I'm going to season the flour by adding dry chili powder. You can as well use paprika instead, turmeric powder, ginger stroke garlic powder, chicken seasoning, black pepper, and some salt to taste. This is basically the same seasoning used to marinate the chicken. Alright, and I will mix to combine until they are incorporated. Here I will divide the seasoned flour into two, and I will set one part aside and then add 2 eggs to one part, and that egg should be a room temperature. Alright, and I will as well add full cream milk. You can use any milk of your choice, or better still, measure out some powdered milk, add water to get your liquid milk, and then mix to get a homogeneous mixture. Once that is beautifully done, I will set it aside and then move over to preheat some vegetable oil enough to fry the chicken. As the vegetable oil is preheating, I will come back to the marinated chicken. This chicken has marinated very well. Now I will go ahead to pass each and every one of them through the seasoned batter with the help of a spoon, and then lift with my hands and further coat it with the seasoned powdered flour I kept aside, and then shake off excess if there is any. And this is the right way it should look like, and I will keep doing each and every one of them like this and keep it on a clean tray until I'm done coating all of them. By coating them this way, it will be very easy for me to fry them when the vegetable oil is finally preheated. Okay, then coat one and put one inside the vegetable oil, it will be very hard for me. So coat it this way and keep them so that when the oil is preheated, you will be frying them just freely without passing through stress. Alright, have you liked this video? Have you? If you have not, please like this video, share this video to your families and friends, and of course subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video, and do drop your comment. Please keep watching as you remain blessed. Here the vegetable oil is preheated, but to be 100% sure that the oil is preheated, I will throw in some slightly crushed garlic cloves to test the hotness. But bear in mind that I will not remove the garlic again. It will remain in the oil as I fry the chicken for some extra flavor. I've added the coated chicken as you can see, and it will fry on a medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes, but that is because of the size of the chicken I am using. The minutes of the frying is depending on the size of the chicken you are using. Please don't fry the chicken on a high heat. If not, it will cook only on the outside and not inside. But when you apply some patience and fry with a medium heat, it will cook evenly both in and out and give you that KFC crispy chicken texture. Alright, all the same, Make sure the oil is not too hot when adding the chicken or too low, so that the chicken will not be soggy. Please always turn it around from time to time to avoid burn. As I keep turning it around from time to time, I will as well flip it to the other side to make sure that all the chicken parts are cooked evenly. Please always apply some wisdom and care when making all this very easy recipe. If not, you might keep repeating the video until you get it rightly. And here, the first batch of this chicken is ready. Can you see how crispy the KFC chicken has turned out? I love this. I will remove and place on a paper towel to drain excess oil. Alright, and I will also throw another batch of the chicken, and this is ready as well. KFC crispy fried chicken is one recipe that everybody needs to try, and please, if you by chance try this recipe, please tag us on all our social media handle. Okay, hope you enjoy doing this video with me. If you do enjoy the video, please give the video a thumbs up, share the video to your families and friends, drop your comment, and of course subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.